So, welcome back, everybody. I want to talk about case studies, and I want to welcome you as we explore some real life case studies. We're going to be discussing Caterpillar at first. Caterpillar is a global leader in manufacturing, construction, and mining equipment. We'll see how they embraced Lean Six Sigma to overcome the many challenges they had. And we're going to see how they achieved some really remarkable results around the way. So, Caterpillar, um, you know, they instituted Lean Six Sigma because they were having issues and faced many challenges when it came to production inefficiencies. Um, High operating cost and quality issues. To address these problems, Caterpillar implemented Lean Six Sigma methodologies across its global organizations. Since early 2000s, Caterpillar has really adopted Lean Six Sigma, and you'll see now at the time of this recording, we're in 2024, and Caterpillar has now really adopted the agile principles and kind of blended it together with them. The company aimed to enhance its manufacturing processes and reduce waste and improve product quality. So, since the early 2000s, Caterpillar has really revamped how they approach Lean Six Sigma methodologies and institutionalized it across their entire organization and the many manufacturing plants they have and subsidiary affiliates. Now, some challenges Caterpillar experienced included inconsistent production processes, high levels of inventory, and quality issues. Thus, this resulted in, delays, increased cost, and customer dissatisfaction. So addressing these issues first was crucial for their success. Caterpillar began their Lean Six Sigma journey by defining improvement areas and measuring their current performance. Some of the things that they checked as key performance metrics was their production times, their inventory levels, their defect rates, and customer satisfaction. Now, you'll notice in Lean Six Sigma, these things become very crucial in the define and measurement phase. And you're building these two philosophies together. During the analyze phase, they really honed in on their ability to do Pareto charts and root cause analysis to identify the primary causes of their inefficiencies and quality deficiencies. This analysis laid the foundation for targeted improvements. Now, when they started doing their Kaizen events or their improvement phases, the improvement phase saw the implementation of various different lean tools and techniques. Value stream mapping helped them streamline their process and identify those gaps in the performance in their processes. They then used the Kanban board to really facilitate change in the organization. And, putting this structure to it, they were able to organize their workplace by doing 5S, which we know now is 6S with the safety component added to it. And to ensure quality, they introduced error proofing or Poka-Yoke devices. These changes led to significant improvements in the organization. Now, during that improvement phase, this is where you get your team together to really help change and sustain that change, right? When you document processes, you can document these Lean Six Sigma tools into your philosophy to create better processes for your organization. And that's what Caterpillar did. To sustain the gains, if you will, the Caterpillar established control mechanisms like visual management boards and regular audits. This ensured there was ongoing compliance with new standards and it maintained the improvements throughout the last, 24 years since they started this in 2000. Since then, quality has improved dramatically. They've significantly reduced the production lead time and operation cost, and they improved their operation efficiency by almost 80%. You know, at the end of the day, their project really focused on reducing the production lead time, the operational cost, decreasing their inventory level, and improving that product quality, enhancing the customer's satisfaction level. As they came together, this transformed and also created and fostered a culture for continuous improvement. You know, Caterpillar's Lean Six Sigma journey demonstrated the transformative powers of these methodologies. As, you know, as Six Sigma professionals, you know, your job is to provide support, leadership, and, you know, we understand and look to our champions and upper belt levels to help guide us in our Six Sigma processes. You know, at the end of the day, this led to provide the leadership, the framework they need to lead their teams. They were taught to support each other through their evolution. And, you know, when they encountered roadblocks with resource management, their leaders really stepped up their game and removed those impediments to their processes or their daily meetings, right? You know, when we talk about Caterpillar, we can use this to understand how we can apply Lean Six Sigma in our own organization. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.